This is the everything from Dollar Tree. Wait a minute, that one looks like a tick. Did a tick get on my food? Ah! Doing, Lucy? Oh my gosh, what do you got on your face? What do you got on your face? Anyhow, we are out here cooking, and I thought I'd make us a quick, easy breakfast. Yay, no bugs today. Yay. So what are we having? Well, I'm going to have a big buffet lunch today. So I got this at the Dollar Tree, everything bagel dog, and we're going to see if it fits in my mini or whether I can squish it. These are pretty good. That'll give me enough calories, 300 calories and 11 grams of protein. That'll get me through this morning until I can get other stuff. So what all do I need for that? That's dog food, don't need for that. These are my simple little tools, something to flip it over, my scissors to open my mustard packets, and a plate. How simple could breakfast get? And of course I need my mini rice cooker and my Blue Eddy EB3A. So I'm going to pop that on, and then we're going to open up the bagel packet. So simple. All right, we have this heating up, and all we got to do is slide our little bagel dog. The other one fit, the pretzel dog. Please fit, please fit, please fit. There we go. Ooh. All right, I'm going to have to squish. There we go. It just needed a little bit of convincing. I'm just going to, it doesn't matter if it's mashed or anything. And most of that bagel I'm not going to eat. But I'm going to flip it on all four sides, and it'll make it extra crunchy. There we go. To keep that heat inside. Perfect. Alrighty, time to flip it over and see how one side did. Smells awesome. But how's the bottom? Is it nice and brown? Oh, look at that. Nice and brown. That's wonderful. Oh, keep cooking, keep cooking. Oh, that's going to be awesome. I love a nice crunchy sandwich. All right, got to fix that a little better. But, So I did bring my big solar oven with me, but the reason why I'm not using it is you got to have good clear skies. And I'm hungry now, so I prefer this style. This, you know, I can charge up right here. You know, I bring it into libraries and Panera Breads. I can charge it up while I'm driving my vehicle. I have my solar panels, and then when I'm ready to eat, there we go. Look at all that steam coming off that. That's going to be nice and crunchy. All right, let's lift and see if the other side got crunchy too. Oop, look at that. That's excellent. All right, I'm going to see if I can just do that for a minute, or is that good enough? Maybe I'll let it crisp up on the bottom a little bit more, but it took about 5-6 minutes and it's done. Pretty cool. Yeah, that looks delicious. All right. Good morning, everybody. Ma Terry here, along with our fabulous co-star, Miss Lucy. We are out here camping and eating and having a fabulous time in beautiful Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So what did I make? I have been using my mini rice cooker, which I love. I do have a special pot for it, and I'll see if I can find a link for it and put it in the description below. I made me a cup of coffee, and then what did I make for breakfast using the MyMini? These are sold over at Dollar Tree. There we go. Look at all that steam coming off of it. It is cooked to perfection, and I'm going to eat. Yum, 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 yum. And of course, my meal wouldn't be complete without a couple of these mustard packets. Yay! All right, thanks for joining us as we have breakfast in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. You know, Ma Terry, always with the scissors, right? I can never open these packets. I must have like 10 pairs of scissors there. All right, let's see if it's any good. Put a little bit of mustard on it. I know the pretzel dough was really good. And you know what? These are a cheap little hot breakfast that I can make in 5 minutes. Oh, hot and crunchy. It's delicious. Anyhow, we'll see you down the road. Bye. Next, I'm going to finish it up with a little hazelnut coffee. Coffee up, everybody.